May island building plans ba ang China sa West Philippine Sea? Kasi ano tong structure or floating platforms na low-key giving Waterworld vibes na lumulutang-lutang dun sa Bajo de Masinloc or Scarborough Shoal. Hi, my name is Beko Pin. This is Rappler. Na-confirm na ng Philippines ang presence ng isang floating platform sa loob ng Bajo de Masinloc or Scarborough Shoal, a high-tide elevation that China has been controlling access to since 2012 or nung standoff between Manila and Beijing. Sabi ng Philippine Coast Guard, this platform is between 6 to 7 meters long, may fenders na nakapalibot dito, at kaya niyang i-bear yung weight ng up to 6 personnel based on maritime domain awareness flights. Meron din itong naka-attach na antena, although sabi nila later on, yung antena na ito ay para nakakabit na sa bukana ng Scarborough Shoal mismo. The suspicion, based on its activities as well as other floating objects around it, a buoy included, is that it's conducting scientific research inside Scarborough Shoal. Kasi may research ships din na namataan yung Philippine officials sa labas ng Scarborough Shoal noong bago magpakita tong platform na ito. Days later, na sa may bukana na, sa entrance ng Scarborough Shoal, yung dalawang research ships na ito ng China. What does this all mean? Ayaw ng Philippine officials to speculate kasi it's too early pa raw. For now, the Philippines has filed several demarches and a protest against China over the floating structure. Sabi ng Pilipinas to China through the Department of Foreign Affairs, mali yung ginagawa nyo, that's in violation of international law, and you are violating the Philippine sovereignty and sovereign rights in those waters. Therefore, umalis na kayo dyan. So, ang tanong, may nangyari ba? Syempre wala. Pa, at least. Kasi yung 2016 Arbitral Award nga, 10 years on, ayaw pa rin i-recognize ng Beijing. The Philippine officials who spoke to the media on June 10, all of them nag-aral sa Philippine Military Academy, do not want to speculate. However, analysts have. And so will I. But by talking to experts and even military personnel on background and even with a quick scan of history, you will find out that what is really concerning here is that it might be a repeat of the past, or what the spokesperson of the National Maritime Council called the Nightmare of Mischief Reef. Noong 1995 or 1996, ilang taon ka pa lang nun, nagtayo yung China ng structure sa Mischief Reef or Panganiban Reef. Sabi ng Philippines, teka lang, ano yan? Sabi ng China, oh don't worry, fisherman's wharf lang ito, fisherman's shelter. Pero in succeeding years, dumami ng dumami yung structures. So sabi ng Philippine Defense and Security officials, niloloko niyo na lang ata kami. And true enough, these days, Mischief Reef or Panganiban Reef is a heavily militarized artificial island some 100-120 nautical miles away from the Philippines. It is a military base that allows China to monitor and, if it wants to maybe, control access and movement in that part of the South China Sea within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone, which we call the West Philippine Sea. Kung mag-construct ulit yung China ng artificial island at di natin mapigilan ito, that means Beijing has one more outpost from which it can observe, monitor, and even control this part of the South China Sea. Dagdag pa ito dun sa sinabi ko nga kaninang Mischief Reef at yung Fiery Cross Reef also in the West Philippine Sea. Fun fact, yung construction ng China sa Mischief Reef, yun ang dahilan kung ba't noong 1999, sadyang sinadsad ng Pilipinas ang BRP Sierra Madre sa Ayungin or Second Thomas Shoal. Until now, andun pa rin si Sierra Madre. It is rusty, it is dilapidated. Once upon a time, yung resupply missions to the Sierra Madre, hinaharas ng China. Minsan sa paligid nito may mga harassment din na nangyayari. But it's still there. It's still standing. Fun fact number 2. Dalawa actually na barko yung sinadsad ng Pilipinas noong 1999. Yung BRP Sierra Madre sa Ayungin Shoal at yung BRP Benguet sa Scarborough Shoal. The very same shoal which China now controls access to and where a platform is still currently floating around in. Natanggal yung Benguet noong 1999 after a few weeks dahil umalma yung China, by the way. So 27 years later, what is the Philippines to do? Artificial islands don't spring up overnight. That means may window of opportunity ang Philippines para umaksyon. But now, it's up to the Philippine government to use whatever tools it has precisely to prevent that from happening. For more updates on the West Philippine Sea, Philippines and China relations, Chinese actions in the South China Sea, and developments doon sa Scarborough Shoal, download the Rappler app.